Hello. All right, I was not planning on going live, but I have so many announcements to make that I thought I'm just gonna record a video. And I know most of you are out doing Halloween things tonight, so hopefully you catch this sometime this evening or early tomorrow morning. But four things I want to discuss: Inktober, GratitangleZ, collab with Audrey Shant, and December kits. So I thought, you know what, instead of trying to make individual posts, I'm just going to get on and talk about it, even though my hair is a mess and I have no makeup on. It's okay. You guys don't care. It's all right. All right. So first of all, Inktober. Wow. I hope that you loved it. I love that it was called a challenge because it was very challenging. I feel like there were gorgeous tangles, beautiful tangles, amazing. But some of them were like, they hurt my brain. So what I love about it though is that I wouldn't necessarily choose some of those. And now that I've done them, I will. So I kind of love that. All right, so Inktober on Sunday, I will post a show and tell Sunday, and you can all share your compilations or however else you did it. Some of you, I think, did the dragon. I don't remember what artist was doing the dragon. Some of you did them in your sketchbooks, but I would love to see them. On Sunday, we'll do a whole big thing and we can all check out what everybody did. If you're on like day 2, it's okay. Post that, share that. We want to see it. So it's all right. Okay, so Inktober, show and tell on Sunday. GratitangleZ. So I have never done GratitangleZ, and a lot of you are like, what is that? Where is that? How do we do it? So what it is Lisa Anderson, a CZT, created a Facebook group called GratitangleZ, and it's spelled, instead of an S at the end, it's spelled with a Z, and I will try to link it below when this video is done. So GratitangleZ, and she puts together a list of 30, I think it's 30 tangles, much like Inktober, but she just shares like a step out to it. And what she does is she asks 30 CZTs to contribute. So I was asked this year, which I was so honored. That's so fun. So you can submit your favorite tangle, or you can create one or do one that you've created in the past. I've never created a tangle in my life. I didn't plan on creating one, but then one night it was like 1 or 2 a.m. and I was like, oh, what if I did like little mini mandalas that were repeatable? So I named it Soul because, you know, the inside of the mandala is like you, your soul, and then the circles are who and what you surround yourself with. So I created a little tangle. I don't remember what day I am. I think I'm in the 20s. So anyway, she asked a bunch of CZTs to submit a tangle and a thought of gratitude or a quote or something. So if you go to her Facebook page, it is called GratitangleZ with a Z. You have to ask to join. There's a couple of questions like, what's your favorite Zentangle patterns? And then in there, you'll find the list and you will find a daily gratitude. She will post every day one of our gratitude thoughts. So that's kind of cool. On my end, I decided to do a video every single day because I don't want Inktober to be done, but I'm not doing it the same way. So Inktober is a huge project. I did the big compilation piece. Each video was like a half an hour long, which I apologize. So for GratitangleZ, I have a freebie, and it is in the post below this one, I think, on my Facebook page called Let's Tangle. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to Facebook at Let's Tangle. And it's kind of, I don't know if I can link it on YouTube or not. Anyway, all right, so in there, you're going to get a free download, and it's for this November calendar, which will not print brown, but I must be out of a certain color of ink because mine printed brown. It's meant to be this beautiful kind of reddish color. Anyway, I have this cute little calendar, and each day I'm going to spend 5 or 10 minutes showing you how to do the gratitangle, the tangle of the day. I'm going to draw it in here. Then I have this little gratitude sheet that I made, and I'm going to write a daily gratitude. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. So if you would like to follow along with that, they'll be posted at midnight every day on YouTube, starting tonight at midnight. And it'll just be like a 10-minute video, and it'll be just a moment of calm and a moment of reflection. And you don't have to do the gratitude part. It's okay. Or if you have a different way to do it, that's also okay. And I encourage you to take the tangles once you learn them and make your own tiles or make a compilation or do whatever you want with them. My videos will just show you how to make them. Okay? That is GratitangleZ. Collaboration with Audrey Shant. I know you've all been waiting. We love hanging out and making these videos. It's just so hard to find the time to do it. So we just did it, and we figured out how to do like picture in a picture or a video overlay. So her video and my video will release at midnight tonight. So it'll be November 1st. And her video is doing watercolor acorns. I don't think I have mine here. They're so cute. So she shows us how to draw these acorns and do watercolor. And then my video will be part 2. And that shows how to, I love reading all your messages. And that shows you how to do tangling over the top of them. It's super cute, very fall. And I hope you love it. So that comes out tomorrow, along with the very first Gratitangle video. Also tomorrow, and I know I told you guys I would give you warning and maybe we would have like a wait list, but I'm struggling with my website construction. And so I haven't been able to like do a wait list or the email thing and all that. It doesn't matter. But tomorrow, I was hoping to launch tomorrow night and go live, but the person who's helping me is going to be out of town. So we are launching it at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know that's early. I know some of you are at work. Some of you might not even see this until after 8 a.m. But the December kit, the countdown to Christmas, the 24 videos that will go with, you know, this kit that I'm creating will launch tomorrow, not the videos, the kit. So at 8 a.m., you can go to TangleWithKelly.com. I will try to link it below. And you know I'm not good at those. I will try to link it below. But TangleWithKelly.com is where it is going to be. Because it's behind the scenes right now, I can't even look at it to see like what, you know, like what the process looks like for you ordering. So hopefully we have everything in place. Hopefully you can place your order through the website. I believe I've got international shipping. It's such a cute kit, you guys. I think I've spent 1,000 hours. Not really, but so many hours putting it together. And my team of the 4 girls, my daughter and my nieces and their friend, came over again last night and spent another few hours like buttoning them up. And oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. And they all want one as compensation for working. So anyway, 8 a.m. I will do a separate post tonight or tomorrow morning as a reminder saying 8 a.m. go to TangleWithKelly.com. And there is a button that says kits. I hope that's where it is. Click around. Not everything is linked yet. Not everything says what it's supposed to say yet, but hopefully you can find it on there. And I made a lot of them, so hopefully we don't run out like we did with Inktober. The December kit is going to be a little junk journal. And if you don't know what a junk journal is, look it up. It's going to be putting things together to create the journal. And then I'll have 24 days of, some will just be journal prompts, some will be a Zentangle pattern, some will be borders, some will be drawings or doodles, much like last December, except that you've got a little kit to work with. So it's going to be fun. I can't wait to do it with you guys. And hopefully tomorrow morning goes smoothly for the launch. If for some reason at 8 a.m. the website doesn't work or whatever, I will post on Facebook, Let's Tangle, the new instructions, okay? My husband has been out of the state all week, And I have all these technical things happening, and I'm like, oh, I need my tech person. So I'm just hoping it goes well. Okay. All right. So that was that. I think I've got that all figured out. Inktober was amazing. GratitangleZ starts tonight. Collab tomorrow with Audrey. December kits tomorrow. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on tanglewithkelly.com. You guys are great. Thank you so much for all your love, all your support. Inktober was amazing. You guys were so sweet. And please share on Sunday your work. Thank you. Bye-bye.